In this video, I'm going to talk about lesson 15.1 in grade 6 statistical questions, page 749. Our objective will be today identify and write statistical questions. Here we start. First of all, we want to know what we mean by statistical question. A statistical question anticipates that there will be a variety of answers. What I mean by this, when you ask a statistical question to the students, there will not be one answer. You can anticipate, you can expect more than one answer for this question. For example, if I ask you, how far is your home from the school? Then I ask my students, then they will give me different answers for this question. But if I'm asking you, who is the president of your country, or who is the president of the country that we live in, so all the students will give me the same answer. So these two kinds of questions, statistical questions and not statistical questions. Here we go to another to show you more examples. How to identify the question is a statistical or not statistical, and how to write statistical questions about some cases. Now, in questions 3 to 6, tell whether each question is statistical or not statistical. I will start. Number 3, in which month is your birthday? Here, if you ask a group of students in which month is your birthday, then you'll have variety of answers. Some of the students will be in January, and some of them will be in April. Maybe 3 students in April, and 1 in January, and 1 in February, and 1 in March. So we will have different answers for this question. So this question is a statistical question. Now we will go to another question, which is number 4. In number 4, does Sue wear glasses? So the answer is yes or no. So here we, if she wears glasses, so all the students will say yes. So this is not statistical question because we have one answer for this question. But in the question number 5, who is the current president of the United States? Here it's not, because we have one answer. Here, yes, it is a statistical question. In number 6, how tall are the students in the grade 6? So we have a lot of students. We have variety of answers for this question. So it's statistical question because the students have different height. So they will have variety of answers. Now, how to write? I'll give you a question example of how to write statistical question for a topic. Now, in number 7, we want to write a statistical question. Number of bits classmates own. So we can say how many bits. How many bits do you have? How many bits do you have? Then you ask this question for the students. Then we'll have different answers. Some students will have 1, some of them will have 0, some of them will have 2, some of them will have 3. So by this we write a statistical question. By this we come to the end of our lesson. Thank you very much, Mr. Muaad JB.